is the ultimate Ford GT ever, the last one they're making, and they've thrown all their technology at it. Scott is getting suited up, about to go on track.
Look at this view in front of us. You can see the full carbon fiber dashboard, similar to the Ford GT production car. We've got the roll cage all around, and then to my left is the entire steering wheel system. We do have the roll cage going over our head. I think we're gonna be in the 700 horsepower tune for the engine. This has got a brand new engine within the Ford GT. It's totally different than the Mark II and the street version. Fully rebuilt with the pistons and all the internals, so I can't wait to see how it feels compared to the road car. And yeah, you're sitting very low. Even the wheelbase is longer. Look at that view right there of those front tires escaping. This is gonna be unreal. First ride in a Ford GT Mark IV. This is crazy. Wow. Wow. Okay, got it. Oh yeah, dude, that was crazy. Oh my, the downforce, that was insane. Yeah, totally different than the street car. Having that much downforce, the confidence it gives you to hop over the fence right here. Oh man, I feel a rush of adrenaline right now, guys. That was insane. Let me get the helmet off real quick. I'm speechless right now. A massive thank you to Ford for allowing us to capture this experience for all of you to see out here. The acceleration and most of all that downforce makes the entire vehicle feel so confident. You don't feel any rotation. The amount of thrust. The things that I'm most impressed about, I was even telling Parker this over here, with that adaptive spool valve suspension, man, the composure. On all the corners.
Unbelievable.
We can't stop smiling, man. I like lack of words.
That was, wow.
Anyone who's getting this car,
yeah,
there's nothing like it. There's nothing like it.
We've been in a lot of cars on the track, and that just blew both of our minds.
I'm gonna need a while to process that. Okay, guys, that's gonna wrap up our first ride-along opportunity in the Ford GT Mark IV. I'm still speechless. I've never been in a vehicle this capable in the corners. It was so confident. It felt like the limits were so expandable. It's just straight out of the factory, a proper race car you can enjoy.